Are you preparing for the Ielts reading test? Do you want to know some tips and tricks to help you ace the test? Well, you've come to the right place. The Ielts reading test can be tough, but with these tips and tricks, you can improve your score and feel confident on test day. First, skim the passage before you begin reading. If you do this will help you understand the main idea of the passage and allow you to focus on the details as you read. Next, focus on keywords in the questions and the passage. These are usually the most important words in the sentence and can help you find the answer more quickly. Third is read the questions carefully. Make sure you read the questions carefully and underline key information. This will help you understand what the question is asking and find the answer more easily. Read the question twice if necessary and underline the key information. Fourth is don't spend too much time on one question. If you can't find the answer, move on and come back to it later. Don't waste too much time on one question as you may miss the easier ones. Fifth tip is practice time management. Ielts reading test is timed, so you need to practice time management. Try to answer the questions quickly and efficiently. You can also use a timer while practicing to help you stay on track. Next is improve your vocabulary. The Ielts reading test requires a good level of vocabulary. You can improve your vocabulary by reading different texts and noting down unfamiliar words, then looking them up in a dictionary. Or, you can also watch my videos where I tried to explain words with their synonyms. Link is given under description. Seventh tip is practice with real Ielts materials. Practice using Ielts reading tests that have been previously administered. This will give you an idea of the types of questions that will be asked and help you become more familiar with the format. Eighth is take notes. You can take notes while you read to help you remember important details. Underline key information, circle keywords, and write down any important facts or figures. Next is guess if you're not sure. If you're not sure of the answer, make an educated guess. You won't be penalized for wrong answers, so it's better to guess than to leave a question unanswered. Last, but not the least, stay calm and focused. Don't get too stressed out if you don't know an answer right away. Just take a deep breath and move on to the next question. Narrator, with these tips and tricks, you'll be ready to tackle the Ielts reading test and get the score you need to achieve your goals. Good luck!